If you're wondering whether Thrive Architect or Instapage is the best landing page software, you're in the right place. Both are popular tools, but are they truly the best for creating high converting landing pages? Let's dive into the details and figure it out. First up, let's talk about ease of use. Thrive Architect shines here with its drag and drop builder. It's incredibly intuitive and has a pretty low learning curve, which is great if you're new to landing page design. You can build pages quickly without getting overwhelmed. However, Instapage offers a similar experience with a more polished interface. It's also drag and drop, but its features feel a little more streamlined and tailored to marketers. The downside? Instapage can be a bit pricey for beginners. Next thing, let's look at templates. Both platforms offer a variety of pre-built templates, but Thrive Architect is really solid in this area. It has a lot of high-quality, customizable options, and you can easily tweak them to match your brand. Instapage also has a large template library, but it's mostly focused on conversions. Their templates are designed with optimization in mind, so if you're all about driving results, this could be a win. However, some of the templates do feel a bit generic. Moving on to integration options. Thrive Architect is tightly integrated with WordPress, which is great if you're already using it. However, the integrations are somewhat limited compared to Instapage. Instapage, on the other hand, offers more integration options, including a lot of third-party tools like Google Analytics, Zapier, and CRMs. If you're running more complex campaigns and need these integrations, Instapage might be the better option. The fourth thing we need to talk about is A/B testing. This is critical for optimizing landing pages and increasing conversions. Thrive Architect does offer A/B testing, but you'll need a third-party plugin to make it work properly. Instapage, however, has built-in A/B testing features, and they're incredibly robust. You can easily test different elements on your landing pages and get detailed insights into what's working best. If A/B testing is a priority for you, Instapage takes the win here. Next, let's talk about pricing. This is where Thrive Architect really shines if you're on a budget. It's a one-time purchase that gives you access to all features, which can save you a lot of money in the long run. Instapage, on the other hand, has a subscription-based pricing model, and it's on the expensive side. While Instapage justifies its cost with its high-end features, Thrive Architect can be a better choice if you're looking for an affordable option with strong features. Now, the customer support. Instapage is known for its excellent support with live chat, email, and detailed documentation. You'll get a fast response if you run into any issues. Thrive Architect offers support as well, but because it's tied to the WordPress ecosystem, sometimes you'll be relying on community support or WordPress-specific forums for solutions. This could be a downside if you're not familiar with WordPress. So, in conclusion, both Thrive Architect and Instapage have their strengths. Thrive Architect is fantastic if you're looking for a cost-effective, easy-to-use tool, especially if you're a WordPress user. Instapage is more tailored for advanced marketers and businesses looking for powerful integrations, A/B testing, and streamlined templates focused on conversions. Both are solid options, but if you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, affordability, ease of use, and powerful features, there's a better alternative that I found. After testing all these tools, I'd recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial of an alternative that has everything you need for high-converting landing pages. Plus, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.